What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. We're going to continue with the next part of our 2020 mainlines. We're going to open all these up over here. I've also got some ID chase cars to open up for us today, so we'll get to those as well. We're going to start back here with this one. It's number 104. Runway Rescue. In lime green. Has a ladder with a hose kind of contraption that goes up and down. Metal base, plastic body. Next is going to be number 105. This is the Time-A-Taxi. Kind of like a JDM tuner taxi kind of thing. This has one opening door. Alright. Next up is number 106. It is the Batman Arkham Asylum Batmobile in blue. And if you notice on the card back there and this symbol right here, it is a treasure hunt. Congratulations! We're celebrating 25 years of treasure hunts, and you've just found one. Looks pretty good. Plastic body, metal base. Number 107 is new for 2020. It's the Formula E Gen 2 car. This is what some of the race cars are going to. It's got the new protective halo for the driver, which to me makes it think that they have a hard time seeing around that, but safety first. It's pretty cool. Number 108 is the Donut Drifter. This is new for 2020. Part of the Fast Foodie line. It looks like a donut or race car. Metal base, plastic donut. Next, number 109 is the Mod Rod. This came out at the end of last year. It's been a big hit for customizers. It's got a straight 6 engine in there with dual exhaust. It's kind of interesting. Well, it looks pretty good. Nice rod body. Next is number 110, the Baja Truck in blue. Like an off-road truck. Got a metal body, plastic base. It's pretty cool. Got some cooling fans back there. Next, number 111, new for 2020, is the Nissan Silvia S13. A lot of folks happy about this S13 coming to the main line. Got some nice rear detail on there and some side detail. This is based on an actual car. Number 112 is going to be the Tesla Model 3 in a gray metallic. Nice headlight detail, taillights. Always looks better like this when it's plain than silly graphics. Looks pretty good. Number 113 is the Fished and Chipped. Part of the art cards. This is a plastic body, metal base, silver wheels. That detail looks really nice. Don't forget to check out my other parts if you haven't already, where I've opened every one of the main lines from 2020 so far. Next we're going to do number 114. This is La Festa. This is also an art car. This one's got the H on it. And this cool kind of blueprint type decoration that's all the way around. That looks pretty cool. Number 115 is popular. It's the Quick Bite Fast Foodie Ice Cream Truck. They've changed this up a little bit. It's now a plastic body with a metal base. Little dude in there holding popsicle. Ice cream, Quick Bite. Next is number 116, the 65 Mustang 2+2 Fastback in a Golf livery. Casting's been around for a few years. Looks really good with the Golf livery on it though. And all the same size wheels. Next is number 117, the I Believe. This one's in red and silver. This front bit comes off, so you can see the alien guy in there driving. That red's pretty nice, but it's not one that I'm too thrilled about. This is much better. This is number 118. This is the Audi RS5 Coupe in blue. Looks super good. Blue color is really pretty. Got taillight detail, headlight detail, that grill up there in the front. Looks really good. Alright, let's open some ID chase cars. This is number 1, of the 8 that they're going to do this year. It's got the chip in the bottom. Let's open it up. This is in a kind of a Spectraflame black. That Hot Wheels team logo on there. And it's got the RFID chip in the bottom, so you can scan it into your mobile device if you download the app, and you can play with this on a virtual track, which is pretty cool. Next is number 2 of 8. This is the 70 Ford Escort RS 1600. Same deal. Spectraflame paint, almost like a Super, so that really makes it a nice kind of chase piece. Looks really good. And it also has the Hot Wheels ID chip in the bottom. So you can play with that one in virtual land. And the last one today is going to be number 3 of 8. It's the Time Taxi. Spectraflame orange. It's got the chip in the bottom. And you can see the difference between the two. Everything's the same except for the paint and the base. Here's the ID night shifter. Here's the ID Escort. $104. $105. Time Taxi Chase ID. $106. $107. $108. $109. $110. $111. $112. $113. $114. $115. $116. 117. 118.